So fundamental reason for data governance tool is to improve the quality and trust of the data. And ultimately what it is helping is it's helping your AI, enabling AI to do better use cases, enabling analytics to do better reporting, as well as whatever the reporting you are doing, ensure that that is compliant. So for example, in banks, you cannot do incorrect reporting. It have to follow the data governance principles. And that is why it is important to have a data governance tool in place. Choosing a right data governance tool is very important because it needs to align with your data governance strategy. So what is your data governance strategy? Why are you doing data governance is the first thing you should be clear about. Most companies are clear. They need a data governance program for either compliance reason or improving the quality or improving the trust or ensuring that your AI is enabled. So make sure your whys are clear. Once your whys are clear, then you need to lay out that what the steps of the data governance program would look like. And then you make sure that the tool is accelerating those processes. A tool might help you to catalog the data or build the lineage, but may take you 2 years to build the lineage. Another tool might do it in 3 months or 2 months or a month. You want to identify the tools which can do these things faster, quicker. And that's what is needed. And if you are not implementing quickly and fast enough, that the ROI will not come and that you will not see the results. You should be able to connect to your existing ecosystem, whatever the ecosystem you have, the reporting systems, the data warehouses, and source systems. Then obviously the lineage depth is important, that how much lineage you can get into each area of that. Then obviously the policy enforcement is happening, how easy it is to not adopt, but to accelerate the data governance program. Like how the steward can easily collaborate in the definitions. How can the data ownership can be assigned? How the critical data can be identified? Do they have algorithms to identify this, or data science mechanism where the automatically things are happening, or you have to do it manually? Those are the criteria you must consider to find out your data governance tool. So AI actually have done a huge amount of service to data governance program, because data governance program is very data oriented. And since the AI is helping the data, it's almost have streamlined all the processes of the data governance. Almost the entire data governance program, from ownership to assignment to critical data identification to building glossaries to assigning the lineage, everything is almost automated. Only the human have to guide the decisions. So that is where AI is really, really crucial in the data governance program. Otherwise, the things which used to take years can be done in weeks now. So first thing is that they look at the left side, which is like, do they have all the connectors? Or they look at the very right side, can their business user can adopt it? But they don't look at the middle, that how the implementation journey is. Because if you look at the right side of the adoption and you don't look at the implementation journey, then every data governance, if you don't curate, then the consumption will not happen. That is the most companies make the mistake, is that implementation cycle should be fast, quick, and easy to adopt. Obviously, you need that, but that's the layer people miss. The most important thing in the data governance tool is implementation journey should be fast. You have the capabilities in the tool where AI can do heavy lifting and only the humans are guiding. If you take human first approach in data governance in year 2026, you are going backwards to year 2020. That is the main reason. And the data governance program has evolved tremendously using AI. The tool must be helping you to make the data governance super fast. Happy data governance tool researching, and have fun.